Hello guys, this is 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 your reliable supplier in China. As you can see, today we are checking this excavator. This is the order for our client, so we are here to check everything before we confirm the order. So as you can see, if you want to buy this type of excavator in China, feel free to be in touch with us. We are here to help you to make a good choice and take care of your investment. So what we did today, we check the batteries, we check everything. So we found out there's a little thing to change before we ship it to our client, but this is why we are here, and this is why you need to place your orders through us. So we check everything. We check whether the engine is running without any problem. We even check inside. When everything is okay, we ship it to our client. So guys, if you want to buy this type of excavator in China, this is a 𝐓𝐻𝐻 325D. This one we are shipping to our client, and this is the original one. So guys, if you want to buy this one from China, feel free to be in touch with us. Thank you, and let's go. Ok, donc, on fait les tests comme ça. Voilà, no problem. Wow. This is everything.
有𝐾𝐳 𝐳绿芯、空气滤芯、𝐸𝐼绿芯。
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.